Hi, welcome to MB Tech Hub, where we share the latest AI tools and tutorials. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get updated whenever we upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started. Do you want to create an animated video of a story you have written, or a story you generated from ChatGPT, but you don't have any skills in animation? Well, worry no more. What if I told you that you don't need to have that skill? How? Simple answer, AI. In this world where technologies and artificial intelligence are becoming more advanced, everything is possible with AI. Imagine a machine that possesses the ability to understand and imitate human motion with remarkable accuracy. Well, hold on tight because that is now a reality thanks to Deepmotion AI. This groundbreaking technology has been making waves across various industries, from gaming and animation to virtual reality and robotics. Deepmotion AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform that specializes in motion analysis and synthesis. It enables machines to perceive, learn, and replicate human-like movements with exceptional precision. To start using Deepmotion, the first thing we need to do is create an account. Just go to their website, deepmotion.com, or click the link in the description. Now that we're here, click the sign up button here in the upper right corner. Now that you're done signing up, let's continue to the second step, which is to create a 3D character. Just click the animated 3D option here, then click Get Started. Now, on the left sidebar, click the 3D models. So, for this tutorial, we will use the Ready Player Me avatar generator. After clicking this, it will give you the option to choose the body type you want. Then, if you want to use a specific image to convert for your avatar, you can choose to upload a file or just continue without a photo. So, I choose to continue without a photo. And here, you need to choose the avatar model you like, then click Next to proceed. You can then start customizing the skin color, face shape, eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and hair. You can also change the outfits and accessories of your avatar. Once you're already done, click Next at the top. And now we can finally name the avatar. After naming it, we just have to click Save to store all the avatar's information. There, the avatar I created. Okay, let's move to the third step, the most awaited part, which is to generate 3D AI animation. Here, you can see our 3D avatar. The first thing we need to do is select the avatar and then click the Create Animation button here. After that, you need to upload a video as a model for your avatar's action. For this one, I want my avatar to dance, so I'm going to upload a video of someone dancing. Rename your file or trim your video if needed and save. After that, click Video Output here and enable the MP4 output option. Turn off the Include Original Video option and set the background color to green for later use. Then choose the cinematic mode options for the camera and enable or disable shadow options if you want. After everything is set, click Create to convert your avatar into 3D animation. There we can see what it looks like. After the generation process is complete, click Download. Choose MP4 format in the drop-down menu, and click Download to save your animated video. That's it! You now have your own animated video. If you're creating a story, you can just generate another animation, or create another avatar for another character. Then you can edit that and add a background you want using any video editor you use with a chroma key feature. For me, I just use CapCut. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this.